It seems like only yesterday when I wrote my very first song. I still remember how I felt when I struck that very first chord. I fell in love with the melody that I still hold today. The words so full of memories of how life used to be. We've walked through life so slowly, but we've wandered far and free. We were different and so crazy, no moments dull and gray. Remember how we used to sing and serenade the girls. We drowned ourselves in booze and beers until the break of day. Our lives were full of hopes and dreams, but we didn't really care. The clouds of non-existence by then had wrapped our minds and wills. We've walked through life so slowly, but we've wandered far and free. We were different and so crazy, no moments dull and gray. We've traveled life so easy, we wandered fancy-free, outrageous and so silly.